Hey everybody, today I'm going to attempt to try to make my own very first dish called the pasta casserole. It's kind of like a variation of a lasagna dish, except instead of using the lasagna noodle, I'm just going to use a simple basic spaghetti noodle to lay across the whole dish. Basically, I'm going to have a few different things inside, like ground beef, garlic, some onions and parsley, and some tomato sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot some video clips as I'm making it. Hopefully everything comes out good. And at the same time, I'm gonna be taking some pictures so you can see some close-ups of what everything looks like. So let's check it out. Now I'm cooking the pasta, add some salt, and let that go. Okay, we'll put some olive oil in. Start cooking the onions and garlic, and then the ground beef. Give it a nice little swirl. Now I'm gonna add the ground beef. We're gonna cook it only till it gets medium well. You don't want to cook it all the way because you're gonna save that rest when you put it in the oven.